Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your keybinds on a controller in Stellar Blade. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, navigate to Controller Settings. Here, look to the View and Set Controls. Hit the Open button. As you can see, here are few presets in which you can change the controls. There is fishing, interaction, swimming, ranged mode, general and all. You can customize controls by hitting this button or the corresponding button right next to it. And here you open the keybinds menu. Let's say I want to change the ranged mode. Although I don't have a controller, if I had a controller, I would hold a button on my controller and that would set it to the correct one. If you wish to reset a keybind, do so with this button. If you want to reset all, simply hit this button and hit yes. This, of course, also works for assigning and unassigning the keybind. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.